Hey friends, if you wish to lock cells in Excel to protect them, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So let us say that we need to protect these cells. We need to lock them. Go to the Home tab, click on this little icon next to Alignment. Go to the Protection column, obviously after selecting the cells. Check the box associated with locked. Now you have to check this box. Click on OK. Now these are locked. Okay, you can only edit them after you unlock them. To unlock them, select them again, go to Alignment, Protection, and unlock them. Okay, so I'll tell you that what locking these cells does. So formulas will have no effect till you protect the worksheet. Okay, so this is what happens. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.